Welcome to CJ Wild Money Entertainment. Okay, today I'm making oozing brain fluid. So, what you need is a bowl. You're also going to need a brain. You want to sit that in there. You're going to need a pack of gelatin. I'm cheap, so I just get regular gelatin. I got strawberry. You're going to need some canola oil. You're going to need some cornstarch. I'm going to use coconut milk, but you can use any milk. Normally, low fat will be best. And you got to make your gelatin like you normally make it. So you're going to take your gelatin, open it up, pour it in. Ooh, that strawberry smells good. And I'm going to add my hot water and stir. Add the hot water and stir. Ooh, yeah. It smells like Kool-Aid. Of about 3 minutes. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. We're going to mix this in really well. Cornstarch. Of cold. It's supposed to be water, but we're going to do milk. Milk in. And it's pinkish. And I'm going to mix it really good. I'm going to spray this. Always make sure you spray this. A lot of people forget. If you don't spray this, it won't come out. So I'm going to spray this really good. There you go. Ooh, I am making a mess. Sitting that in there. And I'm going to go back to flesh. Okay. So now this is going to go in the refrigerator 4 hours. 4 hours. Some people put this in 3 hours. And the problem is to make sure that this is up. So I'm going to have to see if I can find something that'll keep this up like this. Other than that, I'm going to have a tilted brain. So I'm going to find a smaller bowl. Let the first Jell-o set, then add your cherry Jell-o. Add some cherry pieces or some strawberry pieces to the second color. Pour it into the mold on top of the first set. Refrigerate until about 3 hours. Okay, now that it's in the mold, you put it in the microwave for a little bit, just so you can see the water get on top because it's a ooze. See, you want that ooze. And then flip it. And there you go. And it's a little messy, but it's oozing. See it move? There's your ooze. Now, we get up close and see. See the color of up here? It's nice and jello. And you see it shows the brain, but the different colors of the brain from here to the red ooze. And then maybe put an eyeball over here, a finger over here. The oozing brain. So you like if you like this video, slap that subscribe button because you want to be a honeybee.